Creating a message and adding text on your T9 handheld printer. From your main menu or main screen, click the Create File button. That will open up the message editor. From here, select the text object. That will populate the area with a given text. From here, on the right panel, you will find two sections, a general and advanced. In the general section, you'll find position, X and Y, as well as the rotation of the object. Here you can also select your font. There are a selection of included fonts, as well as the ability to add fonts in a separate menu. You can adjust your font size here, and the text spacing. This is the spacing in between each of the individual characters, as well as bold, italicize, or underline the text in the selected object. This will increase the spacing of the text, both horizontally and vertically. And then this will reset all the parameters to the default settings. In the advanced section, you have an example in the content tab here of what is going to be printed. All you have to do is select that. That will open up the keyboard. Make sure to delete out the input text message and then type in your information. The up arrow here is your shift to capitalize, and then this button here will open up your numbers as well as symbols. There are a selection of different keyboard types and languages by using this button here, and then you have arrows and you can minimize your keyboard there. If this is a variable object, in other words, you're sending data or selecting data from a table, you would then use this here to enable that feature. Now, adding text into the message, we're going to just type in a very simple message. We'll minimize the keyboard. As you'll see here, everything is in the default settings. We'll go back to our general tab here, and we can adjust the font size. Just by holding the minus sign there, you can see that it reduces in size. If you know the size already that you wish to select, you can simply type it in here. A very common size for our customers is a size of 75. So we'll select that. The default font here is the Semhe. We do have a selection of other fonts available. And we'll select Arial, as it's a very common font in printing and coding. From there, again, you can select your bold, italicize, or even underline the text. At the end, make sure to save your information. You can either click OK as it's a new message or new information,